Yo, what is up guys? Thank you for returning and watching another video. Today what I really want to cover is 5 different ways you can make money online. So starting with number 1, basically it's a business model or business called e-commerce. It's basically buying and selling goods online. So where do you buy these goods? You buy them overseas through websites like Alibaba, AliExpress, maybe even Wish if you can find they have really low cost. I think they're based in Asia, somewhere like that. Don't really know too much about that, but you can go ahead and look at Alibaba, AliExpress. So basically the business model has 2 approaches to it, at least that I know of, which is wholesaling and drop shipping. Wholesaling is basically buying the product in bulk, so in a large quantity for a lower price. So the more you buy, the lower your cost is per piece or per good that you're going to buy. So you can go on Alibaba. That's where I used to do most of my wholesaling purchases. I went on Alibaba, I did some product research, I chose the product that I wanted, and then I got that product at such a low cost that I was able to mark up a good price to therefore profit and cover shipping costs to send it to someone in the United States. The other business model, is basically drop shipping. Drop shipping is you don't ever touch the product, so you don't purchase the product wholesale, have it shipped to your warehouse or your home, and then list it on Amazon or eBay. You don't need to do that. You basically get the supplier and get the buyer, and you're the middleman that has a website or a store on eBay or Amazon or any other e-commerce site. So once the buyer buys from you, you basically route that order to the supplier, and the supplier basically sends that product to your buyer. So basically once they purchase from you, you have their information, you collect the payment, and by information you have their name, number, street address, all the information you need for the supplier to send it to that buyer. So there's different ways of going about getting sales. You can go ahead on Facebook Business Manager, or you can go ahead on YouTube or Google AdWords. Those are just 3 platforms that you can market on. So you can possibly run a video ad on Facebook, and if people are interested enough, if the product solves a problem and they see a need for it, they'll go ahead and buy it, right? You send them to your product page if you have an actual website. Or you can go ahead, promote that video on YouTube, or you can do some SEO on on Google, and that's basically organic. So you're getting traffic to your site or to your store site through organic methods. None of that is paid. I don't really want to get into the statistics of which is better, organic or paid, but overall, if you want quick results, go with paid. But if you want long-lasting long-lasting search engine optimization that actually gets you results time and time again without having to invest so much money into ads, then you can go with search engine optimization. That's a longer play, long-term play. So you can do that. So that's basically e-commerce. E-commerce, you can have your own website, or you can have a store set up through Amazon, which is e-commerce giant, right? You can list products on their website, they get a cut, you get the rest. So you can do that, or you can go on eBay. Just any other site that allows you to list a product and sell it. Some of the sites that allow you to create your own site and add your own domain name are Shopify, WooCommerce. So that WooCommerce would be through WordPress. It's a plugin that you put into your WordPress website that allows you to accept money in exchange for that product, right? So that's basically e-commerce. I don't really want to go into too much detail, as it will take some time in this video. But if you do want to have me make a video about e-commerce and basically go in depth, just leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely consider doing it based on how many people are interested. So second method is basically affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service, and the person you promoted that product or service to goes ahead and buys their product or service, you get a commission. So commissions range depending on who you actually partner up with, but I've seen 50% commissions, 10% commissions, 80% commissions. Just depends on who you partner with and how much they're willing to give up on their profits to you. So websites that you can find affiliate offers, you can go on Google, do a simple Google search, or you can go on ClickBank, and on ClickBank they have all the offers listed for you. All you have to do is sign up for a free account. By default, they'll give you an affiliate link depending on what offer you choose to promote, and basically that affiliate link is unique to yourself. So anyone that clicks that link and lands in the product page or lands on their website is tracked back to you. So sometimes these links keep the data from that person that you sent, so it knows that you sent that person. So if they don't purchase right when you send them to that website, and then they may come back, I guess 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, that person will be still, you will still be credited for that sale if they do decide to purchase. So there's different benefits. So you may want to look into that and how that works if you're going to go ahead with affiliate marketing. Another process or another business model that you can go by is basically flipping domain names, which is quite profitable. The way I got this idea was basically I was watching a YouTuber, and that YouTuber stated that someone had purchased his domain name and basically had to sold it to him at a higher cost. So he sold it for like $15,000 because this influencer on YouTube was making so much money that he needed to personal brand himself. So he decided to invest that money into that domain name, because domain names are very important when they personal brand themselves. So if you buy a domain name from someone that is trending or goes viral on the internet, go ahead and consider buying their first and last name domain name, and then when they reach out to you to purchase that domain name, or because they can make an offer to purchase the domain name from you, of whoever the owner is. So if that domain name is taken, there's an option that says offer or make an offer. They click that, the offer goes to you, and then you respond if you want to sell it at that price, and you guys can negotiate the price. So that's basically it. Domain names like retail for $10. You know, simple domain names, .com, .org. .com is a bit more expensive since it's the mainstream one, but basically you can go .org or any other ending. So that's basically it. You can find domain names on Namecheap, on GoDaddy, on HostGator. Yeah, and that's basically for flipping domain names. What you can do is also day trade, or swing trade stocks. You can sign up for a brokerage account and then basically add funds to that account and go ahead and trade stocks. Now, this requires a little bit more capital and some sort of knowledge when trading stocks. You can't just invest money in a company without having any technical analysis or fundamental analysis, because chances are you may make some money, but you also may lose some money, and it isn't reliable. Like if I just go and invest in Apple without having any sort of knowledge on the company, I may lose some money. So it's not smart to do. Do your research. If you decide to do this, do your research. Learn as much as possible. Risk management, where to buy, where to sell, support and resistance lines, and trade the markets with caution, because they do tend to fluctuate. Day trading is basically when you buy and sell a stock on the same day rather than hold it for more than a day. So that would be swing trading. If you're holding it more than one day, that would be considered swing trading. And if you do decide to day trade, you're going to need a minimum of $25,000 on that account. So yeah, consider day trading if you're just starting and have less than $25,000. If you do more than 3 day trades and you have less than $25,000 in your account, you get flagged as a pattern day trader, and they restrict your account on what you can do. So that's basically stock trading. Another way that you can make money online is by offering your services on a website called Fiverr. Fiverr.com. Go to Fiverr.com, and there's basically a category of services people are offering. And let's say I'm looking for a service and I'm looking for a person to edit my videos. I would go ahead on Fiverr.com, and I would put video editing, and I would get a bunch of listings of freelancers willing to edit videos for a low cost. I mean, you can go ahead and choose higher skilled freelancers are obviously going to charge more, but you can go ahead and look there. But obviously you will be offering your service, so depending on how skilled you are, price your services that way. So that's basically Fiverr.com and how you can freelance online. People make good money on it, $20 an hour, $50 an hour, depending on the type of service and how much of a need there is for that service, and how much obviously competition is in that niche. So that's basically 5 different ways you can start making money online. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you can, leave a comment down below or even like this video, as it does support this channel. And if you want to watch or stay tuned for future videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, besides that, those are the 5 ways that are common, and I mean, you can make money online that way. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Peace.